we're missing a bottom seal. See how there's a light gap on both sides? See, now the door is actually able to get pushed down to seal.